Now we will start, right? Now we will start. Here we want to discuss, right, some problems based on the um, echelon form, right? How can you find the echelon form for the one of the particular matrix, and also row reduced echelon form for a particular matrix. Okay. Uh, for a for a given matrix, right? From the example, I will explain, right, how can you get the echelon form matrix and also row reduced echelon form matrix, right? From the example, I will explain to you, right? From the example, I will explain to you. First example, it is your matrix A, 0, 3, -6, 6, 4, -5. 3, 3, -7, 8, -5, 8, 9. -9, 12, -9, 6, 15. For this matrix, you want to find the, right, you want first, for this matrix, you want to find the echelon form, right? Echelon form to this matrix, right? Therefore, you can do some row operation. Here, you can do row operation. Here, you can replace by R1, R3. Then you get, right, then you get 3, -9, 12, -9, 6, 15, 0, 3, -6, 6, 4, -5, and 3, -7, 8, -5, 8, 9. Suppose you want to get key 0 values, then you want to do another row operation, R1, so R2 replaced by R2 plus -1 times R1. Then you get 3, -9, 12, -9, 6, 15, here 0, 2, right, 2, -4, -4, 4, 2, -6. At what else here 0, 3, -6, 6, 4, -5. For a echelon form, they mentioned that here. Okay, right. Here, from here, your first row and first column, you will start here. You can move like this. Okay, here, suppose it is your, which one? Yeah, it is your leading one, no? The echelon form means here, each of the row contain the non-zero number, as the number is one appearing in the rows, first non-zero columns, right? An entry will be referred to as a leading one. Here, you are leading one, this one, because first row, first column, you will start here. Then you can move like this. You don't need to move here. Here, move second column, second row. Then, now, first row, okay. Now move to the second row and third row. Like this, you can move it for the, right, for the row equivalent form. Okay, row equivalent form. Now you want to create key 0 values, nesting, right? Key 0 values. Then only you can move like this, right? You know, suppose it is your leading one, then other remaining two elements are 0. Below this draw, both are 0. Suppose it is your leading one, below this element should be 0. Suppose it is your leading one, there is no element, therefore here leading one is there. Okay. Now you want to create here 0 values. R3 replaced by minus times 3 by 2 R2 plus R3. Then you get 3 minus 9, 12. Okay, 3 minus 9, 12. 3 minus 9, 12. Okay, 3 minus 9, 12. Minus 9, 6, 15. Right here, 0, 2 minus 4, 4, 2 minus 6. Here 0. Suppose do multiply this by 3 by 2, then you get 6 here also 6. Therefore, altogether here 0, here 0, here 0, 1, 4. Okay. Now, I already mentioned that suppose this one leading entry or the below entry should be 0. Here, now this is your, I already mentioned that you can move like this. First row, in the first row, leading entry okay. Now comes the second row, it is your leading entry. Therefore, this one 0. Now your third row, it is your leading entry. Leading entry means non-zero entry, here 1. The first non-zero entry, 1 here. Therefore, it is the echelon form, no? It is an echelon form. Right? It is an echelon form. It is an echelon form. Okay. Now it is an echelon form, right? It is an echelon form. Because here I already mentioned for a echelon form, it is your first, it is your leading entry. That after this, below this leading entry, each of the rows values should be 0. Here 0 and 0. Here your leading entry. Here below this rows value should be 0. Here there is no non-zero entry. Here 0 is entry. Here non-zero entry is here. Therefore it is your leading one. Okay, you said you are leading one. Therefore it is an echelon form matrix, this one. If you here suppose this row reduced echelon form means it is echelon form. Matrix. Okay, it is an echelon form matrix. Okay, row reduced echelon form means you are this entry should be 0 because you are so your leading entry should be 1 here. Suppose you know this is a leading entry, no, this is leading entry, or you want to get the row reduced echelon form, this one should be 1. And what else? This one should be 1. This one should be 1. At the time, suppose this one is 1 means here see you want to get here 0. Suppose this one 1 means here altogether 0. That is your row reduced echelon form. I move to the row reduced echelon form, do some row operation, I can get the row reduced echelon form from here. R2 replaced by minus 2 times R3 plus R2, then you get here 0. 3 minus 9, 12 minus 9, 6, 15. 0, 2 minus 4, 4, minus 2, 2, 0, minus 8, 2, minus 40. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 4. I already mentioned. Oh, right. I already mentioned. Right. I already mentioned here. You want to find the row reduced echelon form. Therefore, you want to get here 1. Value is 1 here. Here also 1. This value should be 0. Here should be 0. Then that is your row reduced echelon form. Right. Now you can divide by second row by half. You can divide by second row by half, R2 divide half R2. Then you get this matrix. Otherwise, R1 also you can 1 by 3 R1. Then you get here 1, right here 1, minus 3, 4, minus 3, 2, 5, 0, 1, minus 2, 2, 0, minus 7, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 4. Now, already echelon form, you want to get here 0 values and here 0 values. That is your already echelon form. For that, R1 replaced by R1 plus 3R2. What happened? 3 minus 3, 0. 1, 0, minus 6, 4, minus 2, 2, 3, 6, minus 3, 3, 0, okay, 2, minus 21, 5, minus 14, no? No? Minus 16, sorry. Is it okay? Yeah, 0, 1, minus 2, 2, 0, minus 7, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 4. Now, it is your leading entry, therefore both are 0, okay. This is your another leading entry, both are 0, okay. Now here there's no leading entry, therefore don't need to change this one. Here there's no leading entry, don't need to change this one. Here in this, here in the third row, you have the leading entry, therefore you want to get here 0 values. That is your already echelon form. Therefore you want to create here 0 values. Okay, for that part, you can do another row operation. Which row operation you can do it? R1 replaced by R1 minus 2R3. 1, 0, minus 2, 3. Here, minus 2, 2, 0. Here, what is the value you get? Minus 4, 24, no? Minus 24, 0, 1, minus 2, 2, 7, minus 6, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 4. Here you are leading entry 1, here you are leading entry 1, here leading entry 1, others are 0, others are 0, others are 0. Therefore, this is your row reduce echelon form, right? It is your row reduce echelon form matrix. Okay, it is your row reduce echelon form matrix. You can write this one is a row reduce echelon form, right? It is your row reduce echelon form matrix. Okay. First we found the echelon form. From the echelon form, you can find the row reduce echelon form. Right now you understand like how we find the echelon form and row reduce echelon form. Okay, for a particular matrix. Okay. Next we do another problems, right? Based on this echelon form and row echelon form. Another question. This matrix is given by 2 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 2, 1, 10, 7, minus 4, 4, minus 8, 4, 4, minus 1, 14, 6. Now, you can do some row operation. First, you get the row reduced echelon form. Then you can move to the, first you get the row echelon form. Then you can get the row reduced echelon form. Now you want to get here 0, here 0, here 0, first idea. Therefore, R2 replaced by R2 minus 2 R1. Then R3 replaced by R3 plus 2 R1. Then R4 replaced by R4 minus 2 R1. Right? Then you get the matrix here. Okay, then you get the matrix here. Right, then you get the matrix here. 2 minus 2, 4 minus 2, here 0. Multiply here minus 2 means 4, 1, 5. Sorry, here for this one is okay, no? Minus R1. Therefore, minus 2, 1, 3, 6, 9. You can do it. Operation, no? Here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, now you check here, first row, first column, this entry, your leading entry, this one first. You can move like this. This your leading entry, no? First non-zero leading entry. Here there is no non-zero entry. Here there is no entry, that means there is non-zero entry. Here your first non-zero entry. Therefore first row, okay. For second row, here 0 entry. Here non-zero entry, this one. Therefore this is your leading entry first, this one. It is your leading entry first. Okay. Therefore I already mentioned that suppose this is your leading entry, others below the elements are 0. That means row elements are 0. Here 0, 0, 0. Okay. It is your leading entry, here below elements are 0. Third row, there is no leading entry because there is no non-zero element. Here, the fourth row also there is no non-zero element. Therefore, it is your echelon form, right? It is your echelon form. It is your echelon form matrix. For one step, you got the echelon form matrix, no? Right? It is your echelon form. Okay, that is your echelon form matrix. Now you want to find the row reduced echelon form. You have some ideas. How can you get the row reduced echelon form? Therefore, first you take this value should be 1, and also here you are leading entry, this one and this one. First you identify it. What is your leading entries? Where is your leading entry? It is your leading entry. Suppose you get here 1. Therefore, here also you want to get 1. This value should be 0. Then you get the row reduced echelon form matrix. Simple idea. You can do it from this part to this. Next, okay. I think here, I think 1. It is okay. Let me check this one. It's okay. Yeah. Suppose here multiple by minus 2. There minus 4 plus 4 0. Here minus 2 means 4 minus 1 3. Sorry. Just wait. Two minus 2, 4 minus 2. Some wrongs, no? I think it is wrong. Just wait. Sorry, this one is wrong, I think. Wait, just wait. 2 minus 2, 4 minus 2. Okay, now here you can multiply here minus 2 plus 2, 0. Here 2, 1, 3. Minus 4, 10. Minus 6, minus 2, 7, 9. Plus 6, okay. Now here R3 replaced by 2 times R1. Okay. 2 into 4, 4 minus 4, 0. 2 times minus 4 plus 4, 0. Minus 8 plus 8, 0. Minus 8 plus, sorry, minus 4 plus 4, minus 4 plus 4, 0. Here, minus 4 plus 4, 0. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4, 1 plus 4, 1, 3, no? Yeah. Okay, now minus 8, 6. Okay. Minus 2, 2, 6, 9. No? Sorry, 8. Okay, okay, okay. One more step you can move it, no? Suppose R4 replaced by R4 replaced by R4 replaced by R4 minus R2. Then you can get the row equivalent form, right? 2 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 0, 0, 0, here 3, 0, 0, 6, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, here minus 1, I think. Minus 9 plus 8, right? Minus 9 plus 8, here minus 1, right? Here your first, right? First, here your first, no, first row, first column, there it is your leading entry. Then you can move like this. There was a second row, it is your leading entry, 0, here 0, 0. Here there is no leading entry. Here your leading entry there, right? Here your leading entry is 1, minus 1. Therefore, it is equivalent form. Okay, it is your equivalent form. Now you want to get the row reduced equivalent form. Okay, for that, first you can interchange the rows. Otherwise, you want to multiply here minus 1, because in the row reduced equivalent form, this leading end should be 1. Here you want to get here 1, here 1, here minus 1 there, you want to get 1, right? First you interchange the rows R2, R3 and R4. Here, okay, here value is kit 0, 9, but here 0, minus 1. It is your equivalent form, right? Now, now here 0, here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, here minus 1, 0. And also, one more step, you can move it R3, now you place by minus 1 times R3. 2, 0, 0, minus 2, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 4, 6, 0, 0, minus 2, 9, minus 1, 0. Now 1. Now you want to get here both this value 1, this value 0, this value 1, this value 1 already there. This is 2 are 0. That is your already second form, no? So that is your claim, right? Find the already second form, your claim. I think you can R2 divided by 1 by 3 R2. Then you get R1 also you can divide by R1 1 by 2 R1. 1 by 2 R1. Therefore, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1. 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now it is easy. You can do the operation again. R1 replaced by R1 plus R2. Then you get here 0. 1, 0, 4, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Why I ordered this one? I replaced this one. I interchanged these rows because, you know, I already mentioned this equivalent form matrices. We can move like this. Okay, we can't move like this. We can't move. You go to here, then we can't move like this. Here, first row leading entry 2. Okay, right? It's not a equivalent form. It is not equivalent form. It is your equivalent form, okay? It is your equivalent form. It is your equivalent form. Because you can move first, you are leading entry here 2, then you can move like this. Second row, leading entry 3. Suppose third row, leading entries are 0. Fourth row, in the fourth row, you put here -1. It's not possible because here, leading entry 0 means you can go here. Then you can come here now again, -1. Therefore, it is not possible, right? Therefore, you want to change the rows first. Therefore, it is your -1. Now, okay. You can move like this. Here. You can move. You go to here, then you can move here. Right? It's not a way to find the equivalent form, right? It is equivalent form in S1. Now, already equivalent form, we are here now. 1 all are 0, okay. Here 1 all are 0, okay. Now remaining here you are reading end here 1, here 1, okay, other 0, here 1, therefore you want to get here both are 0. Row present you want to get here both are 0. This one 0, this one 0, that is your row already equivalent form. Okay. R2 replaced by R2 minus 3R3 and R1 replaced by R1 minus 2R3. You do these two operation, right? You can get the Rorty equivalent form matrix. 1, 0, okay, R2 replaced by, okay, first you here 0, 1, okay, here 0, they have no problem, 2, okay, here 1 minus 3 plus 3, 0. Second things you want to do the R1 replaced by R1 minus 2 R3. They are about 2 R3 minus 2 plus 2, 0, does not change. 0, sorry, here 0, 0, 4. Here 4. Here minus 2 plus 2, 0. Here 0. Here 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Therefore, for leaving entry, other side, for already equivalent form, here you are leaving entry, here you are leaving entry, here 1, here leaving entry 1, here leaving entry 1, other entries are 0, other entries are 0, other entries are 0. Therefore, it is your row equivalent form. Row reduce equivalent form. Okay, it is your row reduce equivalent form. Okay, it is your row reduce equivalent form. Okay, these are the example for the equivalent form and row reduced equivalent form, right? These are the example for the equivalent form and row reduced equivalent form, right?